Hello everyone, it's Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and today is Make It in Minutes Monday, and we are going to be making this fun card. I just love this layout. I came across this from a Peggy Merwin. She did this layout in a different color scheme, and I thought this would work perfect with our new designer series paper called Pretty Prints. And I just love the colors that are in this. And you can also find it, excuse me, in the new annual catalog, and it can be found on page 133. Pretty Prints. It's 12 by 12, and you get 12 sheets, 4 of each 3 double-sided designs. So we are going to get started on this fun card. It's very simple. There's a lot of cutting, and there's just it's very quick, a lot of layers to it. And so we are going to start off with our card base. We're going to have all the measurements in a link below that'll be posted over on our blog. So don't worry about getting those now. We are going to take our Poppy Parade and layer our big Calypso coral on it. And we're going to layer these two pieces on top of our petal pink. We're going to take our big white piece and we're going to layer that on the inside. Again, I'm leaving mine blank just because I write really big. All right, next we're going to take our designer series paper and the 2 matching pieces, and we're going to layer the paper right on top of it. Now we're going to layer these 2 pieces on the front. Okay, then we're going to take our 2 strips. We're going to layer those. And for this card, I do recommend using the Tombow glue because then you can just maneuver the card pieces into place without having too big of a gap on one side. You want to make sure that you get even gaps all the way around. I'm going to layer our Calypso coral onto the Poppy Parade. And then for our basic white, we are going to bring in a scrap piece of paper. I am using the stamp set, The Lovely You. It's a carryover from last catalog, and this is one of my favorites. I absolutely love the font, and we're using the flower here. We're going to take our petal pink ink, and we're just going to dab it in there. And then we're going to do second generation stamping on this. And all that means is you're going to stamp off on a piece of scrap paper, and then you're going to come in and stamp in the middle. All right, next we're going to be using the greeting inside this stamp set right here. Miles apart, but still in my heart. And we're going to go over the top of that with our Tuxedo Memento Black ink. Now we're ready to add some ink onto this piece. And then we're going to add glue, mostly to the middle piece right here. All right, guys, we are done. Like I said, this is a really quick and simple card. You could put this together, many of them, very quickly. Like I said, the time-consuming piece was just cutting all the designer series paper and the cardstock together. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly crafting inspiration, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to subscribe in the description of this video. Thanks much. Bye.